Hi, Bio11A. Welcome to week 6. It's a change of scene. I'm outside now. I wanted to tell you that I really enjoyed your discussions on the passenger pigeon and whether we should bring back the little beasts. And there was a lot of you wrote a lot of very interesting things there, and we were able to share that. So I really enjoyed reading those. That was great. The other is the DNA lab that I think has been a huge success. Oh my gosh, some of you, there should be a prize for what some of you got, these huge globs of DNA. If we were all together, we'd be able to put it into a soccer ball size. There was so much DNA that you collected from strawberries, so that was excellent. Moving on this week, we're moving on to meiosis. So that's the very important sexual reproduction and how it is that we manufacture an egg and a sperm and what the chromosomal number is in those. So that's really important. Very, very important. And I think that's all I have for this week. I have an office hour now, today, not now, tonight, from 4 to 6. So I might see some of you there. Hang in there and keep up the great work.